Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can verify Bitcoin on the Cash app. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the very first thing we want to go ahead and do is open our Cash app. And what we want to do is right at the bottom on our toolbar, we want to make sure that we are on the bottom left option, which is the money option. You will see now on the right hand side a buy Bitcoin option. And once you've done this, you will find yourself on this page. We're going to scroll all the way down and look for get paid in Bitcoin or deposit Bitcoin. So you'll have to now verify your Cash app. And in order for you to transact Bitcoin, this is the verification that you need to do. Okay, this will also enable you to do transactions with other crypto. However, for Bitcoin specifically, you need to do the verification of your identity. So the verification may include the requirement of personal details. This will include your full name. It will also include your ID number or your social security number, your contact number, and then also you will verify your identity via a KYC, which is a know your customer. You will have to submit documents to verify that you are who you say you are. Once you have gone through this verification process and your verification has been reviewed and accepted, you will then be able to transact with Bitcoin. That means making purchases as well as selling. I hope this was helpful.